Hey everybody, this is Scott
and Carmen
with G Reviews. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We have our little puppy Holly here as just commentary as we go. So this is going to be our 30-day long-term review of the Nectar memory foam mattress as well as the adjustable base that it comes with. So over the past 30 days, I'll let my wife go first, but over the past 30 days, what do you think about the Nectar mattress and the adjustable bed frame?
Oh, bless you.
Bless
Bless you, my Holly. For the price, it was pretty affordable. I paid $1,500 for the memory foam mattress, the Nectar, and also the adjustable bed, Nectar frame as well. They have pretty good reviews, but I just couldn't find a lot of, reviews of after using it a few months. So we're like, okay, let's give it a try. So I really wanted to love the mattress. Turn out the other way. I do like the adjustable bed.
The bed frame.
Right, yes, the bed frame. So after using it the first few weeks, me and my husband, we were constantly waking up with back issues, unfortunately. But you know what, we decided, let's give it a try. Usually takes some time to get used to a new bed frame and bed mattress. But fast forward, after a month, we're still having back pain.
Yeah, so, and again, just to kind of take you back to where we're typically coming from. So we also have a extra firm, typical inner spring box mattress that, again, we're coming from. It's very firm, and I like that because I sleep on my back. She sleeps on her side. So technically, this bed would have been probably better for her regardless because she's a side sleeper and I'm a back sleeper. But just mind you that this one, which is the basic Nectar, it's just called the Nectar memory foam mattress, not the Premier. This one is a medium firm mattress, so technically this should have been the more firm option out of the memory foam options from Nectar. So even if you step up to the Premier one, it's going to actually be less firm. So really, we were offered to try different ones before returning it, but we just said, let's just gonna try something completely different. So overall, like I said, like she was mentioning, the bed frame is really cool. Just the fact that everything's remote control. There's a little flashlight on it. You can put the head up, put the feet up, either or. And there is a massage function, but literally it just vibrates. It doesn't actually massage. I think any mattress or any adjustable bed frame that says it massages you, it's probably just going to vibrate, so.
Well, it's not a big deal, but
no.
It is nice whenever I want to read a book or watch the TV, then I can just adjust the bed.
Right.
It is very nice. I do like the function, but unfortunately, by having a adjustable bed, I guess we cannot have a mattress that is a little bit harder, firm, on the firm side. But again, we'll do more.
We're gonna do some more research, and it's possible. I've heard that pocketed coil mattresses, which is kind of like a newer technology, apparently those can be adjustable bed frame friendly, so maybe we'll try one of those, but we will be unfortunately returning the Nectar. Luckily we've already gone through the process, and it was pretty easy, so kudos to Nectar for making that a pretty easy process. We're basically just going to, sorry Holly, we're just going to have the guys come out and pick up the bed frame as well as the mattress. So anyway, that's our review of the Nectar mattress and adjustable bed frame. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Alright, so all I really did, it's actually very easy to install or to put the thing together. All it really is just installing, basically screwing in. There's 7 legs, right? There's 6, so there's 3 on each side, and then there's 1 right here in the middle. So So I did that, and there's really just one more thing to install, which is this mattress retainer for the end of the bed. But other than that, all you have to do is plug this guy in, flip it over, and you have this nice remote control here, which we'll go into once we have everything installed. But there's zero gravity mode, there's a little flashlight on the actual remote control, so if you need to find stuff in the middle of the night, that's pretty cool. You can turn the lights on the remote control. There's massage, which is basically just vibration, but still pretty cool. Yeah, so we'll fiddle with it once we have the bed all up and running, and we put the Nectar mattress on it. All right, so as you saw in our little time lapse here, there's a couple different ways you can use this guy. I mean, there's massages. However, the massages are kind of on the right side of the mattress. The little massage things are just kind of on the bottom of this side, so that side doesn't really feel it very much. So it really is just, it's just a vibrating thing, honestly. But so zero gravity, you hit that, and both the back, which you'll notice is the back comes up and the feet come up as well. Give you a little bit better angle here. All right, so that's zero gravity, but you can have the back and the feet come up quite a bit. I actually was kind of surprised at how much the back actually comes up. I'm just holding the back button here. But see, I mean, it comes up really far. And I'm just curious, I mean, really, the foam really does have to contour quite a bit in order to to get to that point. But anyway, so you can kind of see, that's what that does. Zero gravity, TV mode, reading mode, it just kind of props up the back. And then if you just want everything to be down, you just hit the snooze button or the sleep button there. And then everything goes back down.